In just 2 minutes, you'll learn how to introduce yourself in English like a pro. Hello, my name is John. I am 20 years old. I am from UAE. I live in Sharjah. I am a student. I like reading books. I play football when I am free. I like to eat pizza. Thank you. Hello everyone. It's a pleasure to meet you. My name is John. I am 22 years old. I live in New York, USA. I am a student who enjoys learning new things every day. I am hardworking, confident, and always ready to take on new challenges. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, playing cricket, and improving my English. I believe that learning is the key to success, and I always try to become the best version of myself. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Now it's your turn. Write your self-introduction in the comments and tell which one do you like more.